Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to share with you this awesome bread recipe. It's keto and gluten-free, and this recipe makes enough for 4 regular size sandwiches. Okay, so to get started, the ingredients that you will need are 8 eggs and 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. This one is my favorite from Trader Joe's. They don't add any cellulose or starches or anything. And then 2 cups of finely grated cheddar cheese. This one is also my favorite from Trader Joe's. It's a raw milk cheddar. And then a cup and 1/2 of almond meal, and then a little bit of salt. Alright, so today I'm using my stand mixer, but this is really easy to mix in just a regular bowl with a whisk, but I'm filming with my other hand today, so this just makes it a little bit easier. So first we're just gonna whisk the eggs, and then I have this spatula here to scrape down the sides when I mix the rest of the ingredients in. And once that is well beaten, we're going to add our 2 cups of cheese, of the cheddar cheese. Again, one-handed here. I'll scrape that out off screen. And give it a whisk. And next we're going to add a 1/4 cup of the Parmesan cheese. A little more. And you really could just dump everything in and start stirring, but this is how I did it today. This really is a super easy recipe as long as you have all the ingredients. And then just a couple shakes of salt, that's probably about a teaspoon. And then we're going to add our almond meal. And I'm just going to use my 1/2 cup, but you're going to do a 1.5 cups total. Again, one-handed here. And I'm going to make sure and leave all the ingredient measurements down in the description box below. Alright, that's our last thing we're putting in, and now we are just going to mix it until all the ingredients are well combined and everything's wet. And then we're going to give the bowl a nice little scrape just to make sure everything is well combined. Alright, so we're going to scrape it now, and here you see this is the consistency that you want to have. It's not super runny or anything. But it definitely doesn't hold up like a flour dough. But now it's ready for the pan. Alright, so over here I've got a 9x9 square pan, and this is the perfect size for this amount of dough or batter. And I've got it lined with parchment paper, and I'm just tapping it to make sure it falls in evenly and spreads into the corners. And then we're going to place it into a 325-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes, and this one came out a perfect golden brown color at about 20 to 23 minutes. And this bread in that size pan, the 9x9, this makes the perfect thickness for slicing into sandwich bread. And the way I do that is I cut it down the middle, both ways, like so. And then I take one of the quarters, which is a beautiful thickness. It's about 1 inch thick. And then we're just going to slice it through. Like so. And there you have it. Now I'm going to make myself a turkey bacon BLT. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that, and just another little idea for this bread is you can cut it down into smaller squares and cut each of these quarters into quarters themselves and cut them in half, and they're perfect for little like hamburger sliders. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this recipe and enjoyed this video. Please let me know down in the comments if you tried it yourself and what you think, and also let me know if there's any other recipes you'd like me to do for you. I am doing keto right now, but I'm not limiting my recipe videos to just keto, so if you're interested in keto and anything else, please leave me a comment, make sure to subscribe, let me know what you would like me to make for you. I really enjoyed this, I hope you did too, so I will see you in the next video. Alright, now look at this sandwich action here. I love me some turkey bacon, and I love me some gluten-free keto bread. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. See you next time.